Delivering city services is about more than just maintaining infrastructure or responding to immediate needs. It's about continuously improving how work gets done. In 2025, City of Saskatoon employees continued to find practical solutions that improved how services are delivered, reduced cost, and supported long-term sustainability. The Service Savings and Sustainability Report highlights just a few of those efforts, big and small, that make a difference for residents every day. In 2025, Fire Community Support completed its first year of operation. Launched in July 2024, the program takes a proactive, non-enforcement approach focused on meeting people where they are, de-escalating situations, and resolving concerns safely and respectfully. Teams support individuals experiencing mental health or substance-related challenges, assist those who are vulnerable or in distress, and often resolve situations without police or emergency medical response. Working closely with transit, business improvement districts, and community partners, most incidents are addressed early and without enforcement. Over the past year, the program has continued to evolve through close coordination with transit, business improvement districts, and community partners. As part of the city's coordinated community safe plan, the team now also supports portions of daily shelter patrols within their assigned areas. The program continues to strengthen consistency, coordination, and reliable community-focused support. Sometimes the biggest savings come from rethinking how work gets done. In 2025, the city improved how curb stops are replaced, moving from large labor-intensive crews and major excavation to a smaller, more efficient approach. Traditionally, this work required extensive digging, water shutoffs, and drinking water advisories for nearby residents. The new process uses a smaller crew and specialized equipment to excavate a much smaller area, often keeping the water main live while repairs are completed. The result is less disruption for residents, lower risk of property damage, and faster response times, especially during emergencies. With about 85 repairs each year, the improved approach is saving roughly $5,000 per repair for an estimated $425,000 annually. It's a practical example of how smarter methods can deliver better service while reducing costs. In 2025, city-delivered programs diverted more materials from the landfill than any previous year. A total of 42,457 tons were diverted, more than 1,700 tons more than 2024. The largest growth came from the Material Recovery Center, which saw a 35% increase over the previous year. Increases were recorded across many material types, including tires, concrete, and mixed metals. More residents are also using the service. Every month in 2025 saw higher visitation at the MRC than the same month the year before, making increased participation a key driver behind these results. This growth reflects how residents are adapting to new waste services, including green carts, smaller black carts, and expanded diversion options. Free diversion services have also helped reduce barriers to participation. While recycling volumes declined slightly, this reflects long-term waste reduction trends, such as lighter packaging and fewer paper products, as more services move online. Diverting waste matters. Each year, nearly 100,000 tons of material are added to the city's landfill. Diversion helps preserve landfill space, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and manage long-term costs. Looking ahead, the city is updating its solid waste reduction and diversion plan, with projects already underway to expand organics service, improve bulky item collection, and accept more materials at the MRC. Together, these stories show how city employees are finding better ways to serve residents, save money, and care for the environment. To explore more stories from the 2025 Service Savings and Sustainability Report, visit saskatoon.ca/SSS report.